Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable insights to help beginners navigate the exciting world of investing. If you're considering investing in the stock market for the first time, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential information you need to know before taking the plunge. Let's get started. Investing in the stock market can be a rewarding way to grow your wealth over time. However, it's essential to approach it with knowledge and a well-thought-out plan. Here are the key points you need to know as a first-time investor. Understanding risk. Investing in the stock market comes with risks. Stock prices can be volatile, and there is always the possibility of losing money. It's important to understand and assess your risk tolerance before investing. Determine how much you're willing and able to invest and how much risk you can comfortably handle. The power of time. Time is a crucial factor in investing. The longer you stay invested, the more opportunity your investments have to grow. Time allows you to ride out market fluctuations and benefit from the power of compounding returns. Starting early and staying invested for the long term can greatly enhance your investment outcomes. Set investment goals. Before investing, it's essential to set clear investment goals. What are you investing for? Is it retirement, buying a home, or funding a child's education? Having specific goals helps you align your investment strategy and make informed decisions that support your objectives. Understanding stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy shares of a company, you become a shareholder and have the potential to benefit from its success. It's important to research and understand the companies you're interested in investing in, their financial health, competitive position, and growth prospects. Stock diversification. Diversification is a key strategy to manage risk in the stock market. By investing in a variety of companies across different sectors, you spread your risk and reduce the impact of any single stock's performance on your portfolio. Diversification can help smooth out your investment returns over time. Investment strategy. Developing an investment strategy is crucial for success in the stock market. Consider whether you want to invest passively through index funds or actively manage your portfolio by selecting individual stocks. Each approach has its pros and cons, and it's important to choose the one that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Research and education. Research and education are vital for making informed investment decisions. Take the time to learn about investing basics, stock analysis techniques, and market trends. Stay updated with financial news and leverage reputable sources to enhance your knowledge and understanding of the stock market. Starting with a brokerage account. To invest in the stock market, you'll need to open a brokerage account. A brokerage account allows you to buy and sell stocks and provides access to various investment tools and resources. Research different brokerage firms to find one that suits your needs and offers competitive pricing and user-friendly platforms. Consulting a financial advisor. If you're unsure about investing in the stock market or want professional guidance, consider consulting a financial advisor. A financial advisor can help you assess your goals and risk tolerance and create a personalized investment plan tailored to your needs. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of what you need to know before investing in the stock market for the first time. Remember to assess your risk tolerance, set investment goals, diversify your portfolio, conduct thorough research, and consider seeking professional advice if needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content like this. Share this video with anyone who may benefit from it, and doesn't forget to hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your exciting journey as a first-time investor in the stock market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.